Alright, as expected, and as you can see, the color is not what you'd expect from the Beyond Burger. So to make that color, if you want to really get that kind of color, you would have to add something like soy sauce, something like this kind of beans, in order to sort of thicken the overall effect and also give it the color that you want. In my case, I may decide to put some of this to give it that spice that I like. Or you could even use something like this to give it more of a brown flavor. Sorry, not flavor, but color as well. So it really depends on what you want to do. Many different options. I'm going to maybe just put some of this in there and see if that does a good job, but we'll see how that works out. So see you soon.